Smart DIY viewers, here's another review for you today. We're going to review the Omoton Smart Outdoor Outlet. In our ongoing effort of making this house more smart, I wanted an outdoor outlet. Try to get the floodlights they installed earlier to work with Wi-Fi and my phone. I'm going to install this smart outdoor outlet, and we're going to hook it up to my app on my phone, Smart Light. And not only that, but this also supports Amazon Alexa. So I'm going to replace this whole thing with the Omoton Smart Outlet. The great thing about the Omoton is that it has two grounded outputs and it's meant for outdoor weather. However, when you install it, you have to install it with it going down towards the ground so that if there is water, it just sheds right off. So we have a GFCI outlet out here, which is always good to have outdoors. In fact, I don't think they install outlets that aren't GFCI outside anymore. And we want the Omoton Smart Outlet to point down again so the water sheds off it in case there's rain. But it is weatherproof. You just don't want to get water directly in the sockets and you don't want to submerge it in water. So the first step that you have to do is download an app called Smart Life. And I already have it from a previous video. In fact, I'll leave links in the descriptions to all the smart outlets that I've actually reviewed so far. They work pretty much the same. You just hook them up to this app. So we're going to start the app, and you'd have to log in with your account, and you're going to add a device. So you're going to hit the plus. I have the Omoton Smart Outlet plugged in. Should be ready to go. And I have my Smart Life app ready to go. I'm going to push plus to add a new thing, and I'm going to hold down the button until it starts lighting up. And now it's looking for my Wi-Fi. So these are the Faishilan LED floodlights. I actually reviewed these in another video. So if you want to look at that video or you want to buy these lights after this video, I'll leave links in the description below. So please check them out. And this is known as floodlight left. So I'm going to hit the power button just to turn this one on. You see that it turns it on. The other one's to the left and it is not on. And then to turn that off, I just push it off on the app. But if I want to turn them all on, I'll just push all on, and I'll turn both of them on. So I'm going to turn them all off by hitting all off. And that's how you manually control these lights. The great thing about these smart outlets, and just in general, is that you can schedule stuff. So I'm going to schedule the floodlights to do the same timing. I'm going to do the clock icon for scheduling, push add timing, and we're going to repeat it every day of the week for now. And I selected all of them. Okay, every day, switch on, and it's by military time here. So I'm going to switch it on at, let's say, 7 o'clock. Okay, and then I'm going to add timing, and we're going to switch off at 12 o'clock midnight. So 0000, repeat every day of the week. And I'm going to push save. So now every day it switches off at 12 o'clock midnight, and every day it will turn on at 7 o'clock. You could also do a countdown, so if you want to leave them on for an hour and then have them turn off, you could do that too. And again, the great thing is that this is an app that's connected to the internet. So as long as you're connected to the internet, you can basically control these from anywhere. You could be in Florida on the beach. As long as you have Wi-Fi or some type of internet, you'll have it working. See, we have our Alexa. Amazon Echo Dot. Notice that she lit up when I said her name. So we're going to go into the Amazon Alexa app. You'll have to download it. And you're going to go, for the first time, you're going to go into skills. And what you would do is you would search for Smart Life. Now, I've already installed this as a skill through the other smart outlets I've reviewed before. Again, I'll leave those links in the description below. But it's right here, Smart Life. And you would enable the skill, it'll get it going, and then you put settings. Now, if you already have it in there like I do, you're basically going to manage smart home devices, and you're going to have it refresh everything. So you're going to add a device, and it's just going to discover any devices that are on the Smart Life app, which is great because you don't really have to configure it. You just got to have it search for the devices, and it should find the outdoor outlet. And it found 3 devices. So we have the floodlight right, floodlight left, because I named those. I can control them separately through Alexa, or I can just say smart outdoor plug and it'll just do everything. So you can edit whatever you want through here, and this will be like a master thing for all supported Wi-Fi devices. For example, I have the Ecobee thermostat, which is also in here. I have a review of that, which I'll also leave that in the link to the description. I'm just going to show you all the reviews I've done on all the smart devices in my house. But anyways, now we can use Alexa to control what we want. So what we do for the commands, we go, Alexa, turn smart outdoor plug on.
Okay.
And then she'll turn it on. Alexa, turn smart outdoor plug off. And you can clearly see that she just turned them off by command. So that's how it works with Alexa. You can even do voice commands. That is my review of the Omoton Smart Outdoor Outlet. It looks like it's going to be a great thing to have. You can actually control it through Amazon Alexa, so that's awesome too. If you'd like to purchase your Omoton Smart Outdoor Outlet, please look for a link in the description below. You'll be sent to Amazon, where you can purchase your very own, and you'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support. Have a great evening. And what I will do is I will update periodically as this ages. I'm just going to leave it plugged in and use it, and I will let you know how it does over time. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.